哇，凯琳，我interior so sweet。
那个吹无变 O 卡 ，almost 20 years old already, you know.
What nonsense! Interior cleaning is easier than exterior.
Huh? Really, meh? Cannot be lah.
Really? Just 3, 2, 1, then you are done.
What is she do one?
Come, I show you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, first we start with plastic. We'll be using the Miniac Line Interior Cleaner Purifier. First, we spray a bit of the solution on the brush, and also we will spray a bit on the plastic. Then we will use the brush to go through the area in circular motion. After that, we will wipe off with a clean cloth. Wow, you see? Can really see the difference, right? Okay, next come the Alcantara. First, we will use the brush to brush off the extra dirt that is on the surface of the Alcantara. Look at the amount of dust. After which, we will be spraying the Miniac Line Interior Cleaner Purifier on the seat itself, and we will use the brush to gently clean it. Once it's done, we will use a clean cloth to wipe it dry. Not so bad. After which, we will also use the Vornex Intense to apply a protection level on the plastic itself so that it will look as good as new. And then, after these 3 quick steps, your interior will look as good as new. Bling bling! Additional tip, you can also use the Miniac Line Interior Cleaner Purifier on any other parts not mentioned here. For leather, you only need 2 things: cleaning and protection. Maintaining your leather is even simpler. It only takes 2 steps. First, let's take the Labo Cosmetica Thermal Cleaner. We will spray a bit on the brush and we will spray a bit on the leather itself. After which, we will go through with the brush to brush off the dirt that is stuck to the leather. Once it's done, we will just clean it off with a clean cloth. Next, we will apply the Labo Cosmetica Thermal Sealer. Do take note, we have to let the Labo Cosmetica Thermal Cleaner to be completely dry before we apply the thermal sealer. We can leave it roughly for 5 to 10 minutes to seal and protect the leather. We spray a bit of the solution on a thin microfabric cloth. After which, we will just apply it on the leather, spread it evenly, and ta-da! It's done. Additional facts. This will also protect your leather from color transfer, scuff mark, and also waterproof. So now, to make your car smell fresh again, we'll use the MaFra order backup to smoke bomb the car. First, you need to start your engine and let your aircon running at full blast. After which, you will need to ensure that all windows, natural vent, and door are closed shut. Important point to take note, make sure that there is no one in the car, not even the little bunny. To make the car smell fresh, open the cap and fire in the hole! No, the above move is not recommended. We need to place it upright, press the trigger, hear the click, and close the door afterwards. We'll leave it in there for roughly about 15 minutes. You can view through the window to make sure that the can is fully dispersed and just let it ventilate for 15 minutes.
Actually quite simple leh. My car run very clean eh.
I tell you before already. Just remember 3, 2, 1, then we are done already. So can we go for lunch already?
Durian?
I just clean the interior, now you want to eat durian.
Can clean again ma. Never mind, let's go.
No wonder.